Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian soup dumplings. First, you'll need to create the savory broth that forms the soup inside. Combine vegetable stock with seasonings like soy sauce and ginger. Then, whisk in agar-agar powder, a fantastic plant-based gelling agent, and bring the mixture to a boil. Pour it into a shallow dish and refrigerate until it becomes a firm jelly. This step is crucial for that signature burst of flavor. Next, let's prepare the flavorful vegetable filling. Finely chop your favorite vegetables, like shiitake mushrooms, napa cabbage, and crumbled tofu, for a hearty texture. Sauté these with aromatics such as garlic and ginger, then season with soy sauce and sesame oil. Once your broth jelly is firm, dice it into small cubes and gently fold it into the cooled vegetable mixture. This combination ensures a juicy, savory center for your dumplings. Now for the fun part, wrapping your dumplings. Take a thin, round dumpling wrapper and place about 1 tablespoon of your prepared filling in the center. Moisten the edges with a little water. Then, carefully pleat and pinch the edges together, working your way around the wrapper to create a sealed, purse-like shape. Ensure there are no gaps to keep all that delicious soup inside. This takes a little practice, but you'll get the hang of it. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your homemade vegetarian soup dumplings. Line a steamer basket with parchment paper or cabbage leaves, then arrange the dumplings, leaving some space between each. Steam them over boiling water for about 8 to 10 minutes, until the wrappers become translucent and the soup inside has liquefied. Serve them hot with a simple dipping sauce of black vinegar and shredded ginger. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible, flavorful soup dumplings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.